Take a picture of you.
Who are you gonna send it to?
I don't know. Someone who likes evil lizards.
Send it to Carly and show her how nice my lizard is and that she needs to sit him.
How nice it is. He wants to eat me.
Why don't you sing him to bed again?
Okay. You make me go around. You're making me laugh. And it wants to tag me. I don't think it's sleeping. Do you think you're still?
That's because he wants you to sing to him.
Okay. You can make me go around. It's getting high.
There's a glass there.
You can bring your, why are you facing me? You're recording me.
You can't prove that.
And then, I'll promise, if I sing you, you have to stop attacking me.
He's not even attacking you.
You can make me fall around my big brain transfer. No, you have to look like, we can go slow. Alright, can go faster. Go back in your bedroom before I get mad. And then can take me for a ride on my big green tractor. Kirsten, that's scaring him. He won't go to sleep. Kirsten, you're scaring him. Now he won't ever go to sleep. Now I'm gonna give you this one to listen to that. And I go around my big green tractor.